On today's video, my son Nick and I go out bass fishing in a hurricane. Hey there, outdoor YouTubers. Well, like I said earlier, Nick and I went out bass fishing and it was very windy. And because of that, boat control was very difficult. But instead of fighting the wind, we decided just to work with it. Now, the lure of the day was the Rapala X-Rap. Because the wind was pushing us so fast down the shorelines, we needed to fish really fast too. And the X-Raps are suited for fishing fast. And that's why they're sometimes referred to as a slash bait. They cast real far and they can be retrieved really fast without turning on their sides or losing their action. I like to retrieve these X-Raps quite fast with twitches mixed in.
Woo! Oh, that's a nice one. Yeah, camera. Whoa. Don't fall in. Hold it right out to me and hold.
Even the small bass were hitting the X-Raps today. Now, some fishermen refer to these long, slender, minnow-imitating baits as stick baits. And even though some stick baits look similar to each other, it doesn't mean that they act similar to each other. I did do a video on fishing with stick baits for springtime bass, and in that video I talk about 3 different types of stick baits that I like to use for those bass. And I get into how the different situations kind of dictate using a different type of stick bait. And if you're interested in that video, I will leave a link below in the description of this video that'll bring you there. And also guys, if you're interested in more helpful fishing information, be sure to visit my channel, Knetter's Practical Outdoors. I will leave a link in the description of this video that brings you to a Fishing for Beginners playlist. And in that playlist, you'll find videos on putting line on a spinning reel, fishing with bobbers, how to prevent line twists, using slip sinkers, how to cast a spinning reel, how to catch bluegills, bass, walleyes, pike, what lures to get started with. Also, in that Fishing for Beginners playlist, you'll find videos on how to clean a bluegill, how to clean a pike, how to clean a walleye. Or if you just want to watch some of the fishing adventures that me and my crew go on, you can check out the entire channel. And I hope some of my videos can help you enjoy some of your fishing adventures even more. And also, remember to hunt fish, laugh, repeat. Thanks for watching, and God bless.